Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. आज मैं आप सबको लेके जाऊंगी अपने साथ USA. Yes guys, I'm flying to New York for a 2-week work trip. मैंने अपनी फ़्लाइट में बोर्ड कर लिया है और बोर्ड करने से पहले I bought this neck pillow. As usual, I'm at the window seat and coincidentally the view is pretty clear this time. हम कुछ ही देर में टेक ऑफ करेंगे and then within 22 hours I will land in New York. This is my first time traveling to the US और इसलिए I'm quite nervous. ये ट्रिप टोटल 2 weeks का है and in 2 हफ्तों में I'm going to pitch my tent in New York but I will be traveling all around. As some of you know, I work for an IT company. My flight took off at around 1:30 in the night from Mumbai and we will directly land into JFK, New York. फ्लाइट में बैठते ही I slept off and woke up only in the morning. उठ के मैंने थोड़ी देर बाहर विंडो से व्यूज़ को enjoy किया. I usually do not eat flight food and hence मैं घर से ही अपने लिए थोड़े से स्नैक्स लेकर आई थी जो मैंने खाए. टाइम पास करने के लिए I painted my nails. What do you think? How do they look? It's almost 16 hours and I've been sitting down on my seat. It's time to get up and take a walk. Interestingly, इस प्लेन की पैंट्री काफ़ी बड़ी थी. It was like a modern day mid-sized kitchen in our homes. I'm doing some walking around which is also going to help me with my cramps that I developed from sitting down for long hours. This video is part 1 of a series that I will be creating to bring you all along with me for all my experiences and adventures coming up. The pilot has announced landing. I think we have entered the New York area and we are very close to touchdown. See you on the other side. I finally landed. मिलते हैं इमिग्रेशन के बाद. आई एम स्टेइंग एट द हॉलीडे इन एक्सप्रेस एट हॉलैंड टनल. ये न्यू जर्सी में है. By the time I reached the hotel and checked in, I was very tired. It is very cold outside and hence I quickly took a warm shower and stepped out to get some dinner. There's a beautiful waterfront right by my hotel. I managed to take some photos there while I was waiting for my food to be prepared. I will be spending the rest of the day inside my hotel, resting and prepping for tomorrow. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to get very busy with client meetings and travel. Stay tuned for part 2 as I take you with me to different parts of New York and New Jersey. Bye. See you tomorrow.